channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. Now, these keywords, you can either create a medium to high content book that is filled with information, or you can go through the route of creating a low to medium content book, such as trackers, logbooks, journals, organizers, planners. Also, you can combine both of these elements and create a one good book that provides everything that your customer needs, that helps them and assists them in their journey regarding accomplishing a certain goal in regards to the keywords and niches that we are going to discuss in today's video. Now, these niches are absolutely amazing, and I've selectively chosen to share these with you. They are in the passive income niche as well, so they are all connected one way or another. It's more of a sub niche of this sub niche, and it is really good. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Now let's get started with the first keyword, and I'm using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions in today's video, mainly relying on the 2 which are the Chrome extension Self-Publishing Titans, which is free, as well as Amazon Scout Pro. And I've talked about these Chrome extensions in depth in a video that I will link in the description box below. The first keyword is passive income strategies. Passive income strategies has a keyword niche score of 46, total results which are under 1,000, total results are 981, and an average bestseller rank of 609,479. Average price is $40.53, and the average reviews are 540. We then again have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 9, green light right over here in the circle, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. Now, the only little concern that I have is the bestseller rank, which is quite high, but I'm not really concerned about that because all the other analytics provide me with the data that I need to determine the profitability of this keyword. So it is profitable. It is something that I am also going to personally dive into, and we're going to talk about strategies to help you to stand out and over deliver so you can get your book ranking fast and get the constant sales rolling in. So first of all, passive income strategies, you can create a booklet that is 30, 60, 90 pages, 365 pages, whatever number you want, providing strategies to earn passive income. Also, I think about, do you want to specialize in online passive income or offline passive income? Would you like to talk about strategies like in depth, or would you like to talk about just one strategy for each page, or one or two pages for each strategy? Up to you. The way that you can handle it is, I know you can go ahead and create a passive income strategies logbook, a passive income strategies journal, planner, organizer, and so forth. And yes, you can go do that, but the majority of books ranking under this keyword and selling well are high content, medium to high content, where they're basically paperback or ebook, specializing in going in depth, talking about different passive income strategies that can help customers start their journey. Also, would you like to create it for beginners? Would you like it to create it for example, you can create it for adults, you can create it for kids, or let's say kids that are ages let's say 10 and up or 12 and up, for example. That would be really helpful for them, such as ways to earn money as a teenager, passive income strategies. There you go, you've used that keyword. Another thing that you could also use, and my apologies for the background noise if you can find any. It is a very hot day right now here in Finland. Apart from that, you could also create a combination of medium to high content book and the worksheets inside that book. So it's going to be more of a journal that also features strategies to earn passive income and allows the customer in one book to both track and monitor and manage their passive income strategy journey, as well as learn about different passive income strategies. And then it will be like, this is the one book that you need as a marketing hack. This will be the one book that you need that you can use to both learn about passive income strategies and develop them, as well as monitor and manage them and streamline and track their progress and so forth, for example. And this rule also applies to the next 3 keywords that I'm going to discuss in today's video, which are all quite similar as well. The second one is make money selling your art. So it has a keyword niche score of 53, total results are less than 1,000, total results are 371, and we've got the average bestseller rank of 626,781, and the average reviews are 374. Average price $14.98. We do have a clarification from Amazon Scout Pro categorizing this niche as a nice niche and giving it a number 7. Apart from that, you can create a book about, or a booklet about making money selling your art for artists, for example. You can even dive into for print-on-demand sellers, and then again you can create a combination of a workbook as well as a strategies or tips and tricks possibly, or how to get started making more money selling your art, or platforms, and you can dive in or dive out as much as you want in this. So the third keyword is make money on YouTube 2023. Has a keyword niche score 55, total results are 152. Average bestseller rank is 455,068, and average reviews are 284. Average price is $12.54, and confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro categorizing this as a nice niche. But my one tip in regards to that is do not add 2023 to your either title or subtitle, because then you're going to limit yourself to just that 1 year. If another customer were to find your book in the next 2, 3, 4 years, then it would seem like your book is outdated because it's not 2023 anymore, for example. So do not ever use a year number in your title or subtitle. You can use this as part of your 7 keyword slots. You can also use this keyword if you are creating for example, social media planner for content creators, which is another keyword that I've discussed in a previous video, and it has quite impressive results in terms of profitability. So you might want to check that out as well. You can include that keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots for that book if you are intending to create, and that will also help you rank for both of the keywords, because they are somehow connected as well. Another thing I wanted to mention is you can specialize and sub-niche. For example, make money on YouTube, for example, for kids, if you want to specialize for teaching children that are 10, 12, 14 up on how to make money on YouTube through sponsorships, through monetization, AdSense, through super chats and so forth. Another thing is, do you want to make it for beginners? Do you want to make money on YouTube for running a wellness YouTube channel, for example, or running a gaming channel, or whatever it is, the niche that you want? There's a massive potential to sub niche. So make money on YouTube 2023 is our third keyword for today's video. The last and final 4th keyword is make money on Medium, and it has a keyword niche score of 40, total results super low, 39, average bestseller rank of 496,656, average reviews 2,042, and average price is $12.66, and it has a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro categorizing this niche as a nice niche, giving it a number 9, green light, ready to go. So I know I do talk about making money or writing on a Medium or blogging on Medium here on the channel quite intensively, but did you know you could also take advantage of this niche by gathering the information that you need to provide help for beginners, for example, on making money, on how to make money writing on a Medium, and make a booklet as well as a combination of an ebook and activity book to help guide writers on how to utilize this massive, amazing platform, medium.com. So we've talked about the 4 Amazon KDP niches and keywords that are profitable in today's video. Let's summarize. First of all, passive income strategies. Second of all, we've got make more money selling your art. Third of all, make money on YouTube 2023. Finally, make money on Medium. If you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.